Mate naman ka?
Loving can hurt.
Masawas ni Garces.
Loving can hurt sometimes.
Nakakangalay.
And it's the only thing that I know. It gets hard. You know it can get hard sometimes. And it's the only thing makes us feel alive. We keep this love in this photograph. We made these memories for ourselves. Where our eyes are never closed and hearts are never broken. Times are never frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closely till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal.
Sige, papatay ko.
Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember, I will never be easier. And it's the only thing things I really like. We keep this love in this photograph. We made these memories for ourselves. Where our eyes are never broken, hearts are never frozen, hearts are never frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me close until our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And you hurt me. That's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside the pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Please come home. Wait for me to come home.
Nakakangalay si
Wait for me to come home. Wait for me to come home. Okay, ano ito? Ako isnap. Please. It's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside this man. Tears in me. Keep you deep within your soul. And you can hurt me. Well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. Away. I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost at the 6th Street. You whispered through the phone. Wait for me to come home.